What's going on? Michael Petty here. Once again, I'm outside, 72 degrees. No real breeze coming through, but I'm on my back patio, so it's not too hot. It's perfect weather. So I want to come out here and do this video. Plus the lighting is great. But what I want to talk about in this video is Exitus Elite, right? And the type of people that Exitus Elite attracts and why. It attracts high quality prospects. And here's the reason. If you're talking about $500 in direct instant commissions, no waiting, PayPal, Cash App, getting paid to the payment processor that you choose, $1,000, $2,000, you're talking about a different level of person, a different level of people in their thinking and the actions that they take. If you having trial periods or you having a $50 buy-in, even at the $100 buy-in, those are people testing out. Is this something I want to do? Is this something that I want to take part in? Exitus Elite, when you see the presentations and get all the information, you will know for a fact if this is a business opportunity I want to go in. It's one of these three. Yes, I'm in and I'm ready to go. B, I want to do it, but I have questions. So that's when a person can either call, and Exitus Elite has a call center. They can call the call center. The call center will answer the questions. Sign your prospects up into the business and send you the commission. Close the sale yourself and you get 100% of the commission. Using a call center is you keep 80% of the commission. But understand, you just drove the traffic. Exitus gives you lead capture pages. This is one of the lead capture pages that you get to choose from inside of Exitus Elite. They have a built-in autoresponder. They do the presentation and they have the call center. So I think 80% of the income from doing less than 10% of the work, I think that's very generous with Exitus Elite. And that's one of the things I love about Exitus Elite. The owner, Paul Stevenson, everything he does inside of Exitus Elite is for the members. And his son, Jacob Stevenson, is one of the greatest support I've seen. Direct. He's directly with you. Both of them are in a Facebook group. They're active. You can ask your questions. Paul will get back to you. Jacob will get back to you. It's an awesome business. I love this business. I'm home. There's nothing else I'm going to promote. You may hear me mention Power Lead System because Power Lead System is how I made my lead capture page. And this is one I created. I also use Power Lead System to create my own sales page. And I created my own sales page because these are the two videos that Exitus Elite provide. When you see these two videos, you literally will know if you really do this business or not. That's how awesome these presentations are. A person's going to know I'm in or I'm just not interested. That's how precise these presentations are. Then you have the call center. This shows me earning the commission inside Exitus Elite. The join button, more information about it, and my contact information. Now I have team bonuses, right? You get this copy and paste swap file. You get that once you opt in. Team bonuses. We got a mega swap file, jam-packed with training. You got my one-on-one bonus training, 3 generational bonus training. You're going to get those. You come in at G1000, G2000, you're going to get added to our team private chat for ongoing support and training. And one thing about Exitus, you have to get people looking at your business. So one thing I do want to help you with is help you get traffic to your link so more people can see your business. But I highly suggest when you put out content, you want to put out content so people can connect with you. Let people know who you are, what you're about. Do you work a job? Like me, I've been on my job for 20 plus years. Exitus Elite helped me supplement my income because the job alone ain't gonna cut it. Do you like to travel? Do you like surfing, skating? What it is that you like? Me, I'm a homebody. I love being at home. If I do go out and go anywhere, it's with my family. I'm not a hangout. I ain't no guys night out, all that, what I go meet, ain't nothing issue going to meet somebody, sit at the house, we talk for a couple hours, come back home. But going out to the club, nah, forget that. I'm a homebody. I need to be here with my wife. I need to be here with my son. I need to be the type of man that my son needs to grow up to be as a family. Did I do all that hanging out before I was married and all that? Of course, that's what we do. Hang out, go out, do this, do that. I didn't do a whole lot of it. But when I got married and, I settled down, I got a beautiful wife. Humble wife. She ain't about shopping and Birkin bags and gotta have this car, gotta have all that. I told my wife one day, I said, babe, we probably need to go to a restaurant where we gotta set a reservation, get kind of dressed up. She was like, for what? She told me if I can't put on a hoodie or t-shirts and some jeans and some tennis shoes, she don't require all that. She want to go comfortable. One thing I love about my wife, she can go grab a piece to go sit in the park and she have a great time. Go get some ice cream, sit at the park. We had did that so many times, And the thing is, what's funny is that she from Miami, so you'll think she love the summer. Her favorite season is winter. Mine, I like spring and fall. I don't like it too cold, so I'm from up north. So I'm used to the cold. So coming down here about 70 degrees, like what it is right now, it's perfect. My wife being from Miami, used to the beach and all that stuff, used to all that heat. She liked the cold, so it could be, could be that change and whatever. I don't know, but yeah, that's the type of wife I had. Even my son is a huge homebody. I'm like, we finna go over here. If it ain't somewhere fun or anything like that, he don't want to go. Even I think one time he was invited to a birthday party. It was like a family thing. I couldn't go because I had a kidney transplant. So I can't be around a huge crowd and all that stuff. And plus at that time I was hurting. So his uncle said I can take him. So I want to ask Little Mike, do you want to go to the birthday thing, They're going out to eat. And he was like, well, if y'all not going, I don't want to go. And that made me feel pretty good. But and that's why I do Exitus Elite. That's why I go to work. I'm trying to become a better provider for my family. It's not about the cars. It's not about, trying to showboat, trying to have this and that. No, it's about supporting my family, right? It's about earning a $2,000 commission and being able to surprise my wife, because she don't know when I get these commissions unless I tell her. You know what I'm saying? It's about making a couple of commissions a month and pay all the bills, and any extra money I get, I can put the savings or have a little fun with it. Because you got to think about it. At $2,000, at the highest level inside of Exodus, you're going to pay $23.99 one time. No monthly fees, no yearly fees, and you get to pick how you get paid. You get 2 of those a month. That's $48,000 a year. Just 2 sales. And that's why this company attracts high-level people. Because think about it. The same thing that you have to do to make a $100 sale is the same process you're going to have to do to make a $2,000 sale. Find people, like connect with people, be available to people, be accessible, and people have to connect with you, because what people look for is, can this person help me? Will this person help me? Do they have the knowledge? Do they have a way to help me earn $1,000 and $2,000 commissions? That's why we have those team bonuses. My one-on-one bonus training, the 3-generational bonus training. You're going to get that when you partner with our team. And G1000, G2000, you get into a team private chat with over 50 plus members in. And a lot of those members came in from simply doing a video like I'm doing right now. We keep it simple. We got people on our team who get sales without even doing paid traffic. I don't do a lot of paid traffic. I probably run traffic once a month, maybe 2 or 3 times a month. I don't do it a whole lot. So what I do is I buy some leads and I connect with my audience. You have to connect with people. Who are you? What people want to know is, who are you? Are you going to help me? My contact information right there. Call me, email me, connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, all my social media accounts. You want to schedule a time to talk? Sure, let's jump on the phone to talk. You got questions? Email me, text me. I just got off the messenger with someone who had a few questions. So when you have Exitus Elite, you're talking about a $2,000 business. And if you can get seen, get heard, just tell people about yourself, got the chimes going off, and just show people that you're there for them. Show them that you have avenues, even access to other people that can help them build their business, because that's what we have on our team. And I'm not jumping from company to company. Exitus Elite is it and the only company I'm going to promote. I just use Power Lead System for the tools. Yes, we get paid in Power Lead System, and you can promote any business because you build any pages and funnels, anything. But Exitus Elite is the home, and it really attracts intelligent individuals. So you want to learn how to attract more people in your business? If you have the right vehicle behind you, it's definitely going to attract the right people, the people with the right mindset. Because if you have a free or a low-cost business, you're going to attract free, low-cost prospects. If you have a high-level company, you're going to attract high-level prospects. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Michael Petty. Talk to you soon.